airports are being pushed to do more with less. More passengers, more complexity, and a rapid shift to electric and autonomous operations. But transforming the ramp, that's not simple. That's why Aurrigo built AutoSim, to solve real problems from real customers, from fleet sizing and capacity planning to real-world operational constraints. AutoSim helps you answer all of the critical questions, such as, do you have enough GSE to handle 20% more flights? Can you maintain performance with a 10% staff shortage? You can also model electrification. If I swap 50 diesel for 50 EVs, where do I charge them? What is the power demand? What are the charging profiles and the performance? And what is the operational impact? Test autonomous vehicles before they ever hit the ramp, and validate manual interventions versus autonomous return on investment, and how they integrate with your infrastructure, your teams, your workflows, without disruption. The result: smarter decisions, lower risk, optimal efficiency. AutoSim from Aurrigo, turning complex transformation into commercially compelling operations.